Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A very warm welcome to all of you for the 79th birthday celebrations of Acharya and Guru Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshmanan. Sahana, I'm going to be making you the host. So can you please let everybody come in and then give me permission? Okay. Today is a very memorable day as we are celebrating two events at the same time. I kindly request all participants and all family members to please mute yourself. We don't want any disturbance. Kindly mute yourself. Everybody who's entering, please mute yourself. Today is also International Father's Day. We are celebrating all the men who have been a great part of our journey in life. Plus, we are also celebrating my mother's 79th birthday. My mother, Krishnaveni Lakshmanan, has been a legend. She has dedicated her life to the art of Bharatanatyam. Sahana, can you please mute whoever is unmuted? Thank you, Sahana. In the great celebrations that we are having today, we have been starting the celebrations over the past 1 week, and we've had numerous love and affection pouring out for my mother and Guru Krishnaveni Lakshmanan. And today we are very happy to present all the dancers from my Krishnadvani School of Natya, presenting the item that they've been learning for the past 1 year or a few months before. As you all know, the entire world is facing this pandemic and we are all stuck indoors, but all my children and myself, we decided to move forward with a very positive and energetic presentation of Nrityotsavam. So without much delay, we would be beginning the performance. I kindly request all the participants and their family and members to stay with us till the end of this evening's beautiful Utsavam of Nritya. Our children will now begin the performance with our traditional prayer. Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarvavangmayam aharyam chandrataradi tam numah satvikam shivam gurur brahma gurur vishnu gurur devo maheshwaraha gurur sakshat parabrahma tasmai shri gurave namaha बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च अनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्थनमण्डले नाट्यं करिष्ये भूदेवी पादाघातं क्षमस्व मे kutakati kutakatati kitatunta ka him me ka ka jon ho ka ka ring den na. now call upon senior student of Krishna Dvani School of Natya, Kumari Amrita Chandrasekhar, to inaugurate Nrityotsavam with a prayer song.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्री भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्री भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्र पूजित अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् गणाधिसन्नुत पादपद्मकरम् गणाधिसन्नुत पादपद्मकरम् कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरतरकरम् कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरतरकरं पुरुगुमग्रजं प्रणवाकारं कुञ्जरभञ्जन चतुरतरकरं गुरुगुमग्रजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्.
Thank you, Amrita. We now go on to the Ganesha Kautvam by the 7th grade children of Krishna Dvani. Sahana, are the dancers ready? Can you please spotlight them? The dancers will be Sumita, Bhumika, Subhashini, are the others ready, Sahana? Okay, they're not ready. They are ready. Sweta is ready. Yes. So Shreya is not here. Should we wait for her?
Auntie, she's there.
Okay, can you please highlight Shreya as well? We begin the Nrityotsavam with a Ganesha Kautvam in Ragam Kalyani, Talam Adi. This is a beautiful choreographic work of my mother and Acharya Krishnaveni Lakshmanan, which she had done it in the early 70s. Ganesha Kautvam for you. we had the Kalyani Kautvam performance by grade 7 students of Krishna Dwani. The performers are Shweta, Shreya, Bhumika, Subhashini, and Sumita. Thank you so much. Can I please ask the children of grades 1, 2, and 3 to get up and be ready for their next performance? I am having some messages that says that many of you are unable to view. If you are logged in from your Android phone or your handset, it will be difficult for you to see all the children at the same time. So I kindly ask you to like swipe the screen so you may be able to view the dancers. So hope I am clear. So are the dancers ready?